Alright, my wife's curling iron has broken. The spring has lost its strength. I'm going to show you how to fix it. This is a Hot Tools professional curling iron. And when you buy the curling iron, don't just throw away the box. Make sure you take out the springs. They come with springs to replace the springs because they are supposed to wear out. First thing you want to do, the stand that it sits on, it's right here. Just pull and take it out of both sides. There you go. Next thing you want to do, there's a Phillips screw on both sides. Take that out. Now when you take the clamping part off, there's a spring right here. There's one screw. It's a Phillips screw right here. It's a little bit smaller. Maybe use a smaller screwdriver. But take that off. You don't have to take it all the way off, just loosen it enough that you can slide out the clamp, and you can see this clamp is broken in half. That's why it's not working. She said she heard it make a popping sound. You can see it broke into two pieces. Alright, so we will open up the bag and take out the new clamp. Comes with two, just take one of them. Has a little roller on top. That part is not what you want. You have these two edges right here. Just clamp it together with your fingers and push it under the bracket. When you get it under there, just tighten the screw down so it can't move. There you go. Now it's held in place. Then what you do is just take the clamping part, line it up, and push backward, and push it down so you can see the hole. Put the screw in the hole. And tighten it. While you're still holding it clamped shut, flip it over and do the other side. Same thing. Now you can see it's very strong, and it's fixed. Took that long. Another little tip to keep her cord in place. My wife has a toilet paper roll with pink duct tape on it. So anyway, I hope that helps you. It's a quick, easy fix. The springs wear out. This one broke in half. Oh, next thing you have to do, with the round part towards the front, just put the stand back on. Just put one side in and bend it out and push the other side in. Alright. Now the entire thing is fixed. It works well and it's done. Hope that's helpful. Thank you.